In today's video, we're diving into the essential trading concepts of support and resistance zones. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, understanding these key levels can significantly enhance your trading strategy. We'll start by defining what support and resistance are and why they play a crucial role in market movements. You'll learn how to identify these zones on your charts and how they can help you make informed trading decisions. But that's not all. We'll also explore practical tips on how to effectively trade using these zones, including entry and exit strategies that can maximize your profits. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of how to leverage support and resistance in your trading. So if you're eager to elevate your trading game and discover effective strategies that can lead to success, stick around. Let's unlock the secrets of support and resistance together. Support and resistance are fundamental concepts in trading that can help you navigate the markets more effectively. Support refers to a price level where buying interest is strong enough to prevent the price from falling further. I think of it as a safety net for prices. When the market approaches this level, buyers step in, creating a demand that often leads to a price bounce. On the other hand, resistance is the opposite. It represents a price level where selling interest is strong enough to halt an upward movement. At this point, sellers dominate the market, leading to potential price reversals. These zones are crucial for traders because they can indicate where the price might change direction. By identifying support and resistance levels, you can make more informed decisions about when to enter or exit trades. Understanding these concepts can significantly enhance your trading strategy and improve your chances of success in the market. Identifying support and resistance zones on charts is a vital skill for any trader. One effective method is to analyze historical price data. Look for previous highs and lows, as these points often serve as significant levels where price action has reversed in the past. Next, pay attention to areas where the price has repeatedly bounced or reversed. These zones indicate strong buying or selling interest, making them critical for your trading strategy. The more times a price level has been tested, the stronger it typically becomes as a support or resistance zone. Additionally, utilizing technical indicators can enhance your analysis. Trend lines can help visualize the direction of the market, while moving averages can smooth out price data and highlight potential support and resistance levels. By combining these techniques, you can effectively identify critical zones on your charts, empowering you to make more informed trading decisions and improve your overall trading performance. When it comes to trading strategies that utilize support and resistance, entering trades at these critical levels can be highly effective. For instance, consider entering a buy order when the price approaches a support level, as this is where buying interest is likely to increase. Conversely, you might look to sell when the price nears a resistance level, anticipating a potential reversal. However, managing risk is crucial in trading. Setting stop-loss orders just below support or above resistance can help protect your capital in case the market moves against you. This way, you can limit your losses while allowing for potential gains. Additionally, it's essential to confirm your trading signals with other indicators. For example, using oscillators or volume indicators can provide extra validation for your entry points. By combining support and resistance levels with sound risk management and confirmation signals, you can create a robust trading strategy that enhances your chances of success in the market. In this video, we've explored the critical concepts of support and resistance in trading. Understanding these levels is essential for any trader looking to enhance their market strategies. We discussed how support acts as a safety net for prices, while resistance serves as a barrier to upward movement. Recognizing these zones can help you make informed decisions about when to enter or exit trades. We also covered practical methods for identifying support and resistance on your charts, including analyzing historical price data and utilizing technical indicators. Remember, practice is key. Take the time to spot these zones in your trading sessions to build your confidence and skill. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more trading insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow traders who could benefit from these strategies. Together, we can navigate the markets more effectively and achieve our trading goals. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay informed and trade wisely.